Filtering users in Zenler. So with the users, you want the ability to be able to filter and get the students or the leads and know where they've come from. So within Zenler, we have the ability to filter. So I'm going to quickly show you how the filtering works. So one option is to just choose a student type, such as lead, or a role type, such as affiliate, student, instructor, assistant, or support. By clicking any of these tabs, it will only show the users that are in that particular role. But to filter in general, we can actually use advanced filtering. So if we go to advanced filtering, we can add a filter option. Our filtering system works the same way throughout the site wherever you have that option. So if we say a user tag contains, and we know we have one user tag with funnel A, so we'll say user tag contains, and then down here we will select the tag. Notice that it creates the tags that are in the system. So if I choose funnel A and I click apply filter, it will only filter and show that user. You can also set up multiple filtering options by adding extra filters. So you can filter on two different things. I could also filter this by role, and you can see down here we can filter by join date, role, address contains, city contains, state contains, zip code contains, phone contains, user tag contains, user tag does not contain, etc. So we have a huge list of filtering options that can work hand in hand with each other. So if I say, for instance, that I want the tag to contain funnel A and I want the student or the role of the user to be a lead, and then I click apply filter, then the only option that will come up will be this option. Let's just change this and put it to instructor. So if I click on this, there will be no option, so nothing will show. There we go, no details shown. Now we can also add an extra field in here. So if I want to actually filter by the tag contains and instructor and lead, I can also use this. So now it gives me this because this option is a lead. So this and this equals a positive answer. So advanced filtering is a really good way to actually be able to filter down everything you need. And you'll notice that you can also filter students by courses they are in or enrolled in, and also a host of other things such as emails open, unsubscribes. You can filter on enrolled in price plans, and of course all the various options you have in here. So this is filtering inside Zenler.